So she's a tenner. And that one, she's lost her fingers.
And how much are they? All £3 each?
Yeah, take 3 each.
I'll have all of them.
Good morning, Tatsters and junk junkies. How are we all doing? Welcome to the weekend. It's Saturday. Back at the Saturday boots I was at last week. Done really well. Picked up the Rocker boots and the Dr. Martens. Both sold. Both went for very strong prices. So yeah, glad to try this one out again. It was the first time I went to this one last week. And yeah, was very pleased. So I'm back here again. It's a nice, good sized boot sale for a Saturday. Not many buyers. It seems quite chilled. More space to sort of just roam about. I don't feel like I'm in a rush to get around like I am on a Sunday, like when there's lots of competition. Not sure how much I'll pick up, but yeah, come with me. GoPro, sort of rucksack, fly on the wall type thing, look over my shoulder, see what I'm missing or picking up, bit of interaction. Yeah, hopefully enjoy it. Hopefully I'll find some good stuff, and then I'll report back at my unit when all is said and done. So let's get in there, find some goodies, and hopefully make lots of money.
Black bag.
How much on the trainers?
£8.
Will you do 5 for them?
Yeah, I'll do
5, yeah? I'll take them on. There you go. Alright, cheers, thanks. And you.
And I was right, I was saying, I haven't looked back up as well. He's been on the road. That's the whole point of it, it's restricted to safe. Thank you very much for that. I'll be on all my back, I'll pick it up.
That's alright, no worries.
I'll probably collect a couple of few things.
Bag.
Thank you very much.
How much are the shoes?
£1 pair, love.
Okay. I'll just get this pair, please.
Yeah, sure. No, £2, love, sorry.
Pound.
Thank you, darling.
Lovely, thank you. How much are the models?
Well, some of them are damaged. I think that
Okay.
one. I can't see any damage on that one.
Okay.
So she's a tenner.
Okay. I like this, like
She's
little
got a
repair
broken
and things.
leg. So,
Okay.
I mean, if you don't put it in your cabinet, you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Take £3 on that one.
Okay.
This one again is got a bit of damage.
I think it's, is that her arm? I think.
Might
Yeah.
be her arm, so we take £3 for
Okay.
her. That's a bubble bath one. That's
Okay.
£2.
Okay.
And there's a couple more on the table. I'll do
Okay.
a deal with you if you want them all.
Got it.
That's her foot. See her foot?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
See, some people can repair them,
Yeah.
but not me.
I could give it a go. Yeah.
And that one, she's
Yeah.
lost her fingers.
Oh yeah. That's a shame. Right. Good, thanks.
I really can't see any damage on that one.
Yeah, I'll definitely take her then for 10. It's fine.
Thank you. I'll wrap her up for you.
Yeah, if you've got something to wrap her in. Yeah.
Bit damaged on the leg.
How much is it?
£3.
I love that one.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
And how much are the other ones?
What's the matter with that one?
It's got the hand missing. And that one's got the leg. How much are they? All £3 each?
Yeah, take 3 each.
I'll have all of them.
I'll take the bike one as well,
Thank
please.
you.
Yeah.
And that's a bubble bath, that's £2.
No, I'll just have these ones.
Yeah, that one and that one, if that's okay.
What can we do? Did I give you a price for this one?
I think you said 3 on that one as well. She had, was it on her leg? Oh no, her arm.
No.
That was it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Give me
I was
30.
turning them 3 for I
Yeah.
had 2 there. Yeah.
Thank you
Lovely.
very much. Let me find you some more wrapping paper.
So I carry this one. I'm going to the car now, so it should be fine.
sure?
Yeah, I've got blankets in my car, so that's fine. Okay. Thank you. How much are the shoes?
£3 in one.
I'll take them, please. Lovely. There you go. Thank you.
A jest niebieska torba, druga. A, dobra. Dawaj tą.
How much on the football boots?
10.
Welcome back to the unit. Yeah, things might have changed a little since she was last in here. We've had a little sort around. Obviously Amy, my wife, she is now self-employed. She's got her own plastic-free business, Bamboo and Beyond. Links in the description. It's going really, really well. I did give her one rack in, I was being nice, but yeah, it's going a lot better than we thought. And I wanted to rearrange my shelving anyway, because I've got a big unit, but I've got the same amount of shelves as I did in my smaller one upstairs, so I didn't quite fit. So we've had a little think, had a sort round, and now she's actually got room for 2. This is Amy's whole business here. That's for her to sort out. But yeah, there's all her plastic free stuff, or packaging. Yeah, she's going really well. She's snuck in here. Obviously as she grows, she might get her own unit, or might get a big one to share. Nice, improving that. And then hopefully we're going to get another unit here, going across here, and then we can get another one going out here, so it'll be like a square of units there. Obviously this has moved around now, photography section, so I thought it was taking up too much room. Like all this whole corner was basically taken up because of photos, which yeah, wasn't adding as much value to the business as my space that I need really. So we're going to get more racking in, some more space, and I've already got a lot of space. Obviously with this year I haven't been picking up as much. Like these are half empty, completely clear, lots of gaps here. These are half empty still, that's completely empty. Empty apart from that. This is just cardboard. Yeah, so once I get the new racking in, there's going to be even more space for more tap to sell quality merchandise, I mean. So anyway, scrap that. There's your little tour. Back to today, this morning. Not too many things. Spent about £27, I think I worked it out. Only a handful of things here. So for Saturday, not too bad. Takes about 15 minutes to get there. Just bosh, straight down the road. So yeah. It's not like I had to drive like miles and miles to get here, and yeah, I'd have been a bit disappointing with diesel and time, everything, but overall really happy and got some stuff really cheap. So let's quickly take you through what I did buy, what I paid for it, what I'm hoping to get on eBay. So like I said, not a big amount, so it just shouldn't take too long, and quite footwear heavy, whereas before I haven't really picked up much footwear, but we've got 4 pairs of footwear here. We'll start with the first pickup of the day. Pair of Vans, high tops, they tend to go well. yeah, just like a skater shoe, I think it's like the #1 selling skate brand, like for shoes. Yeah, fans off the wall, size 9, paid £5. This should be for high tops in decent condition, sort of 25 to £30. I'd hopefully aim for the 30 and try and get that. Loads of tread left, no wear at all, no wearing out. So yeah, good markup there. Picked some of these up during the week. I called them Tots TV shoes, a pair of kickers, and it's the same pair again. This is like a nice tan brown leather, like light brown, smaller size. I'm not sure what size actually. They don't tend to put their sizes very clearly. EU 40, so what's that? I'm not sure what that is. That size 6 or 7 UK. I have to research that. Decent condition, bit of wear to the toes on both of them. But yeah, buff them up, make them look good. Paid £3, and this should hopefully be £25 return on eBay, and should sell quite quickly as well. Quite sought after. I think they're made in France as well, so well made, well wanted, and yeah, bargain price I've paid for them. These were bargain of the day. They don't look like anything special, just like black sort of shoes, really, leather shoes. Need like a dust up and a polish. If you look inside, I saw the badge, Airwear, and Airwear's only one brand, Dr. Martens. As you know, I love my Dr. Martens. Got my DM t-shirt on today, Airwear, bouncing soles. So yeah, I was definitely picking these up. Even if I had to pay maybe up to £10 for these, I would have been happy to do that. Asked the price, £1 each on the pair of shoes. Absolute steal. Again, it's one of them ones I feel a bit guilty, like it's too cheap really, but that's the price I asked, so that's the price I paid. Leather uppers, man-made sole, oil resistant, made in England. Obviously Dr. Martens back in the day were only made in England. They're still made in England now in a factory, but now they are made in China, Taiwan. They've got a few factories around the world. But yeah, if you can find made in England, they will be labelled, and you can ask a premium price because they're made like better basically. They use better materials, better craftsmanship, handmade. Look out for Dr. Martens, especially made in England. My £1 here for a pair of made in England's, also vintage as well. Maybe £50 upwards, I'd like to think. They look a bit scruffy now, like got some cobwebs and stuff, like they've been in storage. But yeah, it looks like they've hardly ever been worn. Yeah, I'd say 50 to 60, maybe a little bit more. I'll see my competition and report back to you when they do sell. And last of all, this should have come up on the video. We got a pair of Betty Boops. The lady had about 4 or 5 of them. Unfortunately, this is the only one that wasn't damaged in some sort of way. But I got this one. I was happy to pay 10 for this one. It's a nice fair price. Betty Boop. I'd probably say 12 to 15 inch figure there. It's got a chef hat on. Making breakfast. Oh, that's making me hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Yeah, just a really nice model. I've picked these up loads of times. There you go. Made in 2009. So a bit newer than I thought. But still, like resin, like statue. Perfect condition, no damage to this one. £10. This should hopefully be like another £50, I think. Again, check competition. If there is competition, I'll have to adjust my price. But if there's nothing, I can then probably aim higher. So yeah, not missing out on a tenner there. Really nice thing. Yeah, then there's other ones. She was missing like her fingers completely, so she's like that. And one of them, like the arm was falling off and things. But I did choose this one. Only £3 because there was a bit of damage here, but she's on a motorbike and everywhere else seems to be absolutely fine. The bike's in good condition, her feet are. Sometimes her hair, like here, they can chip off, but that's all good. The only damage was here. I'll bring it to the light a bit more. Yeah, she's got a bit of damage there, but I chose this one. Someone else picked up the others for like £3 each, but yeah, I wanted to grab this one because it was the least amount of damage and she's on a bike, so it's a bigger piece. Looks nice, and I might be able to cover that black up. Obviously still declare it that it is damaged, but I'll try and see what I can do with that. If not, sell as is. It's only a little thing, but yeah, just annoying. It will affect the price quite a bit, but £3 with the damage. Not sure, maybe 25, 30, see how that goes. Maybe start higher and then accept offers. We'll see what the market decides, but hopefully I can cover that up a bit and maybe get a bit more. But yeah, at £3 bargain price, and yeah, worth the risk at that. And there we go, like I said, short and sweet, to the point. Not too many pickups, but what I did pick up was really... I've just forgotten one. Excuse me, I've forgotten the pickup. The skates. I don't know how I done that. I'm sorry about that. But what did I pay for these? There you go, sticker on there, £3.50. Happy to pay that again. Yeah, these are a pair of Core, I think that's CORR, Core TC500 like aggressive street skates. I sold this exact pair before. I think it was the TC500 or similar number. I can't remember where I found it. I think I found these in a cash converters before for like a £5, and I sold them for about £35–40, maybe a little bit more. So same again with these. Really good condition. Give them a bit of a wipe up. All the wheels are clean, not like eroded or anything like that. It seemed like a good size. I'm not sure on the size. They look like a 9 or 10. So yeah, good size, good condition, well wanted thing. Street skates, £3.50, also a bargain. Yeah, £40 to £50. But again, stay tuned to the channel to see what I do actually sell for. Now I'm finished. Sorry about that. I completely almost missed that, and I'm not sure how I done it. Must be these 5:30 get up times killing me. So like I said, short and sweet. Not many pickups, but it's a Saturday, not the main day for boot sales. Obviously that's tomorrow. Hopefully the rain stays away. I did look at the weather. It looked like it wasn't going to rain, but apparently when I was walking around, it's going to chuck it down today here in Essex. So hopefully you'll see me again tomorrow, or whenever I release the video. I'll be at my main boot sale Sunday, which was huge last week. It's the biggest I've ever seen it. Done okay there. It's been okay. It's been lots of sellers there, but not much in the way of quality pickups. Like normally I'm filling the car, and then I've got so much stuff I can't show everything in one video. That hasn't been the case yet. Yeah, hopefully we'll see what happens tomorrow. So if you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button. It helps me in the video out, gives it a nice little boost, and of course subscribe button's down there. There's also a bell next to it that allows notifications on your phone or on your laptop, etc. As soon as I go live or release new videos, you get a little ping, Robjohns new video, or Robjohns is live. Yeah, really appreciate it. Be good to have you along, and hopefully more of the same of this, and more quality pickups, more quirky pickups. Anyway, I'm off home now. I'm very tired and I've got some work to do. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.